On this Burnout Extra, Tarpy and I are going to do whatever we can to get this piece of crap MG to do a burnout. Let's throw it back a little bit and show you some clips of when we previously tried this in a cul-de-sac, because I deemed that one of the best ways to possibly get the tires rotating on slick pavement.
So now we're gonna go ahead and just try to do a burnout. The engine doesn't put out enough horsepower and torque. So this is, in case you don't know, this car is actually a Volkswagen. It is a 1952 MG TD kit car on a Volkswagen chassis with a Volkswagen Beetle engine in the back. So it's pretty wimpy, and the car is super light because the body's all fiberglass. So this thing won't do a burnout because, like I said, it doesn't output enough power, but we're gonna try it anyways. All right, here we go. Ooh. You almost did it right at the end there when it stopped. All right, attempt number 2. Here we go. We just need more weight and power in the front end to stop it. Basically what's happening right now, the car doesn't have enough weight up front to stop the car from jolting forward. So we are actually getting enough power to the back wheels. So I'm grabbing a couple little cheap plastic blocks and I'm gonna throw them under the front to try to prevent the car from moving forward. And Jay's laying on the horn for some reason. So that wasn't working. So now we're gonna try to roll the car backwards, and Jay's gonna try to kick in the burnout as he's rolling backwards to get a little bit of extra push on it.
We need this hill to do that. So I'm gonna roll backwards from this hill and then take off.
It was actually a very smooth transition to being between rolling backwards and driving forwards, but yeah, we didn't really get that close. So he was just trying to do it in first gear. Now he's gonna roll back in second gear with the clutch on to try to get that burnout to happen. Here he comes. I think he's using way too much clutch. I don't think we're gonna get there. I don't think we're gonna get there. While it's looking pretty cool, what he's doing, I just don't think we're gonna get there. So we have another way. All right, we've got one last trick up our sleeve before we give up on the MG doing a burnout. So here we go. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Let's see some smoke. Yeah! Yeah! Woo! Yeah! Success, dude! Yes! It's official. The MG does burnouts. So, in full transparency, we had to jack up the back end of the car so that there's just barely any traction on the back tire in order to get it to do burnouts, but we did it! So we now have video evidence that the mighty gentleman can do burnouts, and it was a little bit wimpy, but still legendary. So if you wanna see some more burnouts, make sure you hit the like button and definitely subscribe. It does cost a lot of money to burn through tires like this. So if you like our content, make sure you check out our memberships. If you don't know what memberships are, there's a little blue join button right next to the subscribe button under this video. You can go click on that and you'll learn all about the different programs and different levels that we have and all of the different cool stuff that comes along with it. So like I said, that would really help us out and allow us to do more burnouts in our vehicles like we just did with the MG.
So that's a wrap for this video, but before you go, just to show you how terrible of a burnout this actually was, this is part of the tire that came off the tire. You're supposed to have dust from the tire, not one strip of metal that came off the side of the tire. But that's all for this video. Stay tuned for more shenanigans like this, and until next time.